Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Power off the Apple Watch before you remove the band to prevent accidental presses. Use the side button and swipe power off when prompted. Place the watch face down on a soft, lint-free cloth to protect the display and avoid scratches. Position the watch so the case back faces up and you can see the spring-loaded release buttons clearly. Locate the two band release buttons on the underside of the watch case near the band slots. Press and hold one band release button while you slide the band sideways out of the slot. Use your thumb or a fingernail to push and maintain pressure on the release button. While holding the button, slide the band directly sideways along the track without lifting or angling it. If the band sticks, keep the release pressed and gently wiggle the band back and forth while applying steady sideways pressure. Do not force the band. Easing it out prevents damage to the watch lug. To reinstall a band, align the metal or plastic rail with the watch slot and position the band straight. Slide the band into the slot until you feel or hear a definite click indicating the latch engaged. If you do not hear a click, remove the band and realign the rail to ensure it sits square in the track. After installation, tug the band lightly to confirm it is locked and will not slide out during use. Clean any dust or debris from the slot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.